Hello, this is my newest channel, Eastbound YouTube. This channel is aimed at helping new and small creators like myself tackle the huge hurdle that is starting a YouTube channel. Here, I share my journey of starting a YouTube channel in 2020 and all of the mistakes I've experienced along the way, in a way that is meant to help you, my fellow fledgling YouTube creators, grow. I started my main channel, Eastbound, in January of 2020. That channel is about my goal to become a better man and individual. There, I share my life experiences and personal philosophies in hopes to help others achieve self-betterment. To date, I have a mere 28 videos, 1,700 views, 117 watch hours, and 19 subs. In the grand scheme of things, that's literally nothing. To call myself a small creator is almost an understatement. Better yet, to call myself a micro creator. So, if I'm a micro creator, why should you sub to this channel? When I watch creators that give advice to new YouTubers like Think Media, they offer so many amazing pieces of advice on what got them to that point. Such important tips that have shaped me into a better creator. However, sometimes I think there's a disconnect between these channels with millions of views and hundreds of thousands of subs. They are already on the other side of the YouTube game, as they call it. They've amassed huge followings and avid viewers. But on the other end, I wanted content from creators who are where I'm at. Creators that have just started, still struggling to gain traction, still struggling with a sense of, should I be doing this? I want to hear about the mental roadblocks they encounter and how they're overcoming them. I want creators that I can connect with in my struggles. But I've struggled to find creators at my size who are producing that kind of content. Therefore, I'm setting out to create a channel for the little guys like us. On this channel, I'll be focusing specifically on things like mental roadblocks, how to handle the discouragement found at how little views you get in the beginning, what I'm currently doing to drive more views. But here, we talk about the hardships on YouTube from the perspective of new creators. Real advice that's relatable, far from the 10,000 plus filming setups and millions of views of the bigger channels. So join me on this journey to master the algorithm. I'm a micro creator. I'm a new creator. And my job is to push my channel and help you push your channels through the very beginning. And for some of these other channels, the very beginning was a long time ago. And this channel is all about YouTube, all about being a creator, all about just getting into it. Here, I use my iPhone to record my videos. I don't have any fancy cameras. I don't have any fancy setups. I am bootstrapping an entire YouTube channel as cheaply as possible and finding ways to create great content and drive traffic to them. So like I said, like this video, subscribe, join me on this journey, create a community of micro creators. Creators who may only have 10, 20, 30, less than 100 subscribers as we chase that goal of reaching enough subscribers and watch time to get monetized. Thank you for your time, and I can't wait to see you in the comments sharing your journey. Let's help each other out and become better creators.